Have you ever wondered why pistons in engines are always round? I mean, would not a square piston compress more air and give better power? Sounds smart, right? But in reality, that would be an engineering nightmare. In this video, we'll explore why square pistons don't work using real engineering principles and powerful 3D animation. Let's dive in. Before we go square, let's understand what a piston actually does. In every internal combustion engine, the piston moves up and down inside a cylinder. This motion compresses the air-fuel mixture and helps convert combustion into mechanical motion. Okay, now imagine replacing that round piston with a square one. What could possibly go wrong? First problem, the shape mismatch. Most engine cylinders are round, and a square piston can't seal properly. This means air leaks during compression, killing performance and efficiency. The sharp corners of a square piston can't maintain uniform pressure. And worse, they create hotspots, which can lead to engine knocking or even thermal failure. Let's talk about friction, because square pistons increase it drastically. A square piston has more contact area with the cylinder wall than a round one. That means more friction, more wear, and more heat. All of this reduces engine life. Round pistons have perfect radial symmetry, which means balanced pressure, smooth movement, and less mechanical stress. And don't forget piston rings, those need to seal the combustion chamber perfectly. Piston rings are designed for circular pistons. On a square piston, you can't get a uniform seal. That means oil leaks, pressure loss, and incomplete combustion. There's a reason why engineers have used round pistons for over a century. Round shapes are easy to manufacture, machine, and cool. They allow higher RPMs, better efficiency, and easier design of components like spark plugs, valves, and fuel injectors. Square pistons might sound cool in theory, but in real-world engineering, they're just not practical. You might ask, okay, not square, but can we use oval or other shapes? Some experimental engines, like the Mazda Wankel rotary, tried different shapes. But these designs come with their own set of problems, from sealing issues to efficiency loss. So now you know, round pistons are not just tradition, they're a result of smart engineering. Square pistons, they're best left on paper. If you like this explanation, hit the like button, share this video with your curious friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Explorer 31.